Everyone, I hope you guys are alright. So today I'm joined by Kafula, Kaf, and we're just going to do a physical exam. Okay, this is how you do a physical exam at home. Okay, just to make sure that your dog is healthy, your dog is okay, and as you wait to go to the vet or whatnot, you can do this on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, depending on what time you have. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that the weight of your dog is okay. Okay, how do you do that? You need to make sure you pass your hand, okay, on the side of the ribs. You need to feel the ribs, but not so much. So you can see Kafula's ribs are so prominent, so this is not supposed to be the case, meaning that he's losing so much weight and we need to either increase his diet or improve it or something like that. So when you pass your hand, you need to feel the ribs, but not so much. If you can't feel the ribs anymore, it means that your dog is obese. Okay, that's the first thing. So as I was saying, he ran away. So the next thing you need to do is check the eyes, okay? You need to make sure that the sclera is white and not congested. Okay, this is the white part of the eye. You need to make sure it's white and not congested. By that I mean it shouldn't be very red. It could be that the dog has injured itself in the eye and whatnot. Also, you need to check the mucous membranes, like the lower part of the eyelid has to be nice and pink. If it's very white, it could be that the dog is anemic. The other way to tell that the dog has like normal blood circulation and whatnot is to also check the cuff. Come on. Also check the inside of the mouth, okay? You need to make sure they're nice and pink. Shouldn't be too white, it could mean anemia. Shouldn't be too congested, too red, that is. It could mean something else. You also need to check the front of the nose. Okay. You also need to check the front of the nose, okay? How you do that is just by looking, okay? You need to make sure that it's moist and nice. It's not always, when they're dehydrated, sometimes it's a bit dry and whatnot. The other thing you need to do is check the ears, okay? In rainy season, they are so prone to ear infections, so you need to make sure you're always checking the inside of the ear. Smell it. It shouldn't be very, very smelly. Well, that doesn't sound right, but it shouldn't smell, okay? Like when you smell like this, there shouldn't be any foul smells coming from there and whatnot, and it should be nice and clean. There you have it, okay? The last part is you need to check the in between the paws. So you can do this, okay. You can do this, okay? By looking, you check, you make sure there are no sores. Sometimes they step on all these crazy things, wires and whatnot, and might cause them to limp. So you need to check and whatnot. So by doing so, you might have an idea every time your dog is not well. Because half the time, the reason why we always take our dogs late to the vet is because we probably don't know they are not well, okay? Of course, apart from the most obvious signs like stopping to eat and whatnot, you might really never really tell until it's too late. So by doing a physical exam, it will give you an idea whether they are losing weight, whether they are a bit anemic, whether they are dehydrated, whether their poop is fine. The other thing is you need to check their behind. It's a bit weird, but you need to check their stool, check their color and whatnot. You can do this in the comfort of your home so that you're not too late to take them to the vet. Bye-bye and see you next time.